hello, namaste, welcome back to my channel. Anyone is seeing my channel for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today we'll look into an informative medicinal plant about the basil leaves. We get everywhere, especially used more in India. Tulsi is a holy plant that has both medicinal and spiritual properties in Ayurveda. It is known by different names such as Mother Medicine of Nature and the Queens of Herbs. Tulsi helps to manage by balancing all three doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha, especially the Kapha dosha by its rasayana properties and helps to boost the immunity. Tulasi has Kapha and Vata balancing properties which help to remove the obstruction and get relief in asthma. Take the juice of Tulsi leaves and mix with 1 teaspoon of honey. Consume 3 to 4 times daily. Tips to prepare the Tulsi Kashayam. Take 15 to 20 Tulsi leaves, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 7 to 8 dried kali mirch. Boil water in a pan. Add Tulsi, grated ginger and kali mirch and boil for 10 minutes. Add pinch of black salt and squeeze half lemon to it. Let it stand for 1 minute. Strain and drink warm to manage the fever. Taking a few leaves of Tulsi along with the honey helps to relieve the cough and flu as it improves the immune health. Tulsi acts a mild and detoxifying agent which helps in lowering the uric acid levels in the body. Acetic acid present in Holy Basil helps in the breakdown of the stones. Take some handful of leaves, make juice, mix with pink salt, apply on the skin rashes, irritation and burning sensation will reduce. Take 1 to 2 spoons of Tulsi juice, mix with elaichi powder, drink 2 times a day. Vomiting will reduce. Daily 2 spoons of basil leaves a day. Give to kids will helps to kill the germs in the stomach and appetite strong. For loose motion problems, take handful of basil leaves, mix with 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorns powder. Consume 4 to 5 times a day will bring to control. Not feeling hungry, not finding taste to your taste buds, then take some Tulsi leaves with black peppercorns mixed with 1 spoon of honey. Consume 2 times a day. People suffering from malaria fever can consume handful of basil leaves with black peppercorns. Consume once in a day will help to bring fever control. It acts as a blood purifier, blood increasing in the body, especially for ladies. It is very helpful medicine, so don't miss this plant in your garden. Tulasi is called as Sarva Roga Nivarini in Ayurveda. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do like and comment. Thank you.